Creating a sense of unity within a community while helping others is both a noble goal and a profound mission. The first step in this journey is to define the vision and mission clearly. The vision encompasses a society where individuals unite to uplift one another, instilling kindness and collaboration. A robust mission statement serves to create initiatives that enhance community engagement and raise awareness on critical local and global issues, ultimately providing the necessary support to those in need. Once the vision and mission are outlined, identifying key objectives becomes essential. Aiming to boost community awareness about social issues is paramount, ensuring that residents are informed and engaged. Establishing partnerships with local organizations and businesses enriches these efforts, fostering a collaborative spirit. Hosting regular community events centered around service and cooperation can stimulate excitement and connection among diverse groups. Through shared experiences, community members will cultivate an environment of support and empathy. Moving forward, understanding the target audience is crucial. This plan should encompass all community members, schools, businesses, and local institutions, ensuring inclusivity. Strategies for outreach play a pivotal role in connecting with these audiences effectively. Social media campaigns can be a powerful tool for sharing inspirational stories, unearthing local heroes, and promoting events that resonate with both individuals and organizations. Community workshops and webinars serve to deepen understanding of vital topics like volunteering and emotional intelligence, fostering a culture of learning and growth. Establishing volunteer programs allows individuals to engage actively within the community. Creating a mentorship program where seasoned volunteers guide newcomers can instill confidence and dedication. Monthly gatherings, such as fairs, potlucks, and cleanup days, can agitate spirits and bring community members together in celebration. These events provide platforms for sharing talents, weaving connections through music and arts. Collaborating with local organizations will provide essential resources and a network of support for initiatives. Developing a comprehensive communication plan is necessary to keep the community informed and involved. Newsletters can serve as a vital source of information about initiatives, events, and participation opportunities, while flyers and posters can energize visibility across local businesses and community centers. Collecting feedback through surveys after events will help to adapt and refine future initiatives, meeting the community's evolving needs effectively. Lastly, a sustainability plan will ensure the longevity of these efforts, leaning into the community's desire for ownership. By focusing on these structured approaches, we will foster an enduring sense of belonging and a culture prioritizing helping one another. United, we can create a powerful impact,